Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hi everyone! This is an absolutely adorable sized box. I think it's almost a really good size for soap, like a bar of fancy soap. It's a full flat box. I'm into the full flats right now because they store really nicely and I don't have a lot of storage room in my apartment. So it is kind of nice to have these on hand. This is using the Broadway Bounds paper, and I'm going to just share with you how to make it. So I have a piece of cardstock. This happens to be gray granite, 7.5 by 8.5, and on the long side I'm going to score at 1 1/8, 3 7/8, 5 7 3/4. Flip it round. I'm scoring at 5/8, 1 3/4, 5 3/4, and 6 7/8. Okay, fold and burnish all score lines. All right, so all we have to do is cut away some stuff. We're going to cut away these two rectangles, cut up along our score lines, and then cut away some of the excess paper. We're going to choose one side to be the lid. So I'm going to choose this side to be the top flap and this side to be the bottom flap. Okay, let's go. All right, so this is what you should have. The smaller piece, it has lost all its edges, and we've got a hole here and we've got a hole here. I'm going to turn it around, and the only piece of adhesive I'm going to put is right there. I like to fold it and then fold the piece down so that it's nice and square. If I didn't cut the paper correctly, I can trim it up here, but it does look perfectly symmetrical. Put in my tabs. This is my front. Put in my tabs. This is my back, or it could, you know, whichever. All right. It looks like I wedged out that piece just a little too much. Okay, so we need 2 pieces for the front and the back of Designer Series paper. This is the same Broadway bound Designer Series paper. It's quite thick. I'm using a party hat theme here. I haven't used this paper yet. For the 2 sides, I need 7/8 by 3 3/4, and I didn't have enough of the hat paper, so I'm just using a corresponding color. And then for the lid, here's some sparkles and party hats. And that is 7/8 by 2 1/2. So I'll show you here I did on this one, and I'm going to do the same thing. So this die cut I got from the Jar of Sweets. It's right here. It's beautiful, don't you think? And the corresponding Jar of Sweet bundle has the stamp set called The Sweetest Thing, and it's got this lovely filigreed frame, which I was going to stamp in gray granite. I have two here in case I screw up. Okay, I'm going to edit my head out. All right, hope for the best. I think I'm off by a lot. Yep. Try again. The one nice thing is it does have this little pointer here and a pointer there, so if I can line those up, I know I'm good. That's better. Okay, let me be honest, it is better to stamp and then die cut. All right, and then I'm going to use Lovely Lipstick, which is featured here in the Designer Series paper. And I have this one, Vibrant Vases, and it's just for you, and I thought it would be lovely. It fits perfectly. This I just used black, but this is my female version, or my girly version. And you don't need a lot of ribbon or a lot of bling. You can just go with stamps and paper. Like, this is simple stamping, but paper crafting too, right? How cute are those little boxes? Yay! I'll see you again soon. Bye! Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.